Hi everybody, welcome to the video.
What are we gonna do today, Liam?
We gotta do the fast one.
We got the fast one here.
Fast one here.
Last time we drove the fast one
We drove the fast one.
was in the water when it stopped working. Uh-oh. Oh no, we've lost power. Oh no. We broke something already. That's not good. It's not supposed to do that.
It stopped working.
We haven't made videos in quite a while, so
Quite a while, so
Liam has been very excited to make a video.
make a video.
He's quite the YouTuber now.
To now.
So we are going to see if the fast one works, the TRAXXAS HOSS. I took it all apart except for the front end. I put new diff oil in it, cleaned everything up. I haven't tried it yet. I hope it works. So this is like the first attempt to see if we fixed the HOSS because it just wasn't running properly before. I definitely need new tires because I'm stupid and I've driven in water without covering the holes in the tires, so they're pretty much ruined. So we'll see what we do from there, what we're gonna do. But Liam's been asking me every day to come drive the fast one, so that's what we're gonna do. Are you ready, buddy?
Ready?
You excited?
Excited.
All right, let's do it.
Right, let's do it.
All right, buddy, let's see if this thing works. It has been months since we've driven this thing. Things are looking pretty clean. You can see we got the, oh, you're turning it right on, buddy. We're actually gonna take this battery out. That's the 2S. It's all clean here, super clean. Replace the diff oil. I'm worried that this is pretty much rusted inside because I've gone through the water so much. I haven't replaced the diff oil in the front or taken this all apart, but we had this completely taken apart here. So we are just gonna throw battery in and see what it does. We drive this thing hard. See if it works, buddy. We'll take it easy at first. The tires are so messed up. There's so much water in the tires that I can't get out. Wanna go up the hill? So it's either we will get a new RC car and just start fresh, or I'll get some new tires and see if we can salvage this one with some work. I didn't replace any parts on it, which was weird. I just cleaned everything. It's running way better than it was that one day. Oh, it's running pretty good, buddy. It crashed, huh? Oh, she's running good. Whoa! Oh, that was sick! Woo! Whoa! Oh, that was sick! Oh no! Nice. Alright, Liam just wants to get straight to it. How fast? Fast? Ooh, a little too much throttle on that one. Ooh, such a random hill to be bombing. Liam, should we go jump it over the grass over there? Okay, let's do it. Okay, go in the circle. Liam, should we jump it? Watch this, buddy. Oh! We gotta try that again, buddy. Woo! Uh-oh. You can fix it. We gotta find a better jump. Is this the best one we've got, bud? I'm surprised this thing's working. I'm happy. Whoa, where'd it go? We don't have the money at the moment to be buying a new one because we have a surprise coming here in the near future. Oh, wow. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Whoopsie. Yeah, I didn't see that there. That is the first time I've ever just completely bashed it right into a stationary object. What happened? Did I break it? Oh no. Did I crash right into that? Oh boy, Liam, let's look at it. Oh no, I'm so scared. Look at what I've done. Look at what I've done. All right, well, that thing's seen better days. Okay, bud, I'm sorry we broke it. I mean, I broke it. I shouldn't include you into this. Hopefully it's only this piece and there's no damage to the steering, because it all seems pretty jacked up right now.
You're watching. See you in the next video. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye.
Now we're gonna have to fix it again.
Let's fix it again.
High five. No bust it. Yeah.